The wedding is coming up in a few weeks, so I don't want to get married with red hair. So I decided to look up on YouTube some videos on how to remove it without bleaching it. And they said you could use vitamin C pills and Selsun Blue or any anti-dandruff. So I got the really medicated one, the maximum strength. So yeah, let's start. So I need about 6 pills, but these are the tablets, so I gotta crush these.
You cutting them on the cutting board?
Let's start. If I don't do good, Ray's gonna step in and help. Here comes up there.
Baby, alright, yeah, stop. Are you gonna cut yourself up? What are you laughing?
Cause you're funny.
Is this nice clean?
Yeah, I just washed it. Wait, take these up.
You can't crush it like this, huh?
I'm not strong enough. Oh yeah, you can crush it like that. That's perfect then. He's gonna take over, like I said. Talking about he's not doing anything. Don't waste the product.
Crush them and then I'll go over it.
Where did you get that shirt? It's new.
Yeah, my mom gave it to me.
Oh, you still got the tag on, baby.
Yeah, she literally just gave it to me. Baby, I dropped a piece of the pill. Alright, no, I don't want to be on the camera.
Yes. Oh, do 2 more actually. Can I mix it?
You gotta make some more than that.
Hey, Top Chef. Gordon Ramsay would be proud. I watched this on Top Chef though, for real. Alright, so I'm done mincing it. It's pretty good right now. And now I'm just gonna pour it in the bowl and mix it with the shampoo. Make sure you get all of it. Now, just gotta mix it. I could feel the chunks though. This should have been rounded a little more. Okay, that should be enough, right? Now I just gotta damp it. I'm just gonna section it off.
Anybody's gonna do the back for me? I'm gonna do the front.
Now I'm gonna start the front. And if this doesn't work,
cut it off.
No, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Am I so cute?
You should keep it like that.
Should I?
I just want to go on a date with it like that.
Of course, of course. Anytime.
Good job.
Okay, I'm almost done scrubbing the end really good. So I gotta leave it on for about 20 to 40 minutes, depending, because it's already starting to, I can feel it cleaning my scalp really deep, and it's starting to hurt. So see you in 40 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright, the 40 minutes are over, so I'm about to go wash it out and take a shower. I'm about to wash it out right now.
Let's see how this goes.
Fingers crossed. Alright, so I'm all finished washing it out, and to be honest, it actually took out a good amount of color. It's not the whole thing, but you could definitely see it in places. I don't know if you could tell, but it's copper in a lot of places. It's like the blonde I had before I actually dyed it the red. And it would probably work if I did it a few more times. I don't know if I like it though, because my hair is kind of dry, but for the most part, it worked. So I don't know if we'll be doing this again, but the wedding is in a few weeks and I do need my hair back black, so we'll see. Okay, and if you like the video, subscribe, like, come again to the channel. Thank you, right?
Kisses are only for me, baby.